G'day folks, and welcome back. Here's another beauty at the BC Vintage Truck Museum in Cloverdale BC. It is a 1935 Chevrolet Maple Leaf 1648 3-ton. This truck was donated by the Lindberg family to the Teamsters Museum, which did a total restoration back in the 90s. This truck was bought brand new in 1936 for $900. Let's have a little peek around her, shall we? Maple Leaf truck. They did a really nice job restoring this. Pinstriping all along. Such a beauty. Let's have a peek inside, shall we? Look at that beautiful red paint job. Let's get out of here. Go a peek around the back side. Oh, the beautiful teardrop headlights. Stunning. Let's give a peek on the back, shall we? There we go. Yeah, the old handy dandy turn signals. Beautiful restored flatbed in the back. There's the back view over. So I'll give you a little more info here on the old photo album. Tells you a little bit more about it. Tyler Lindberg, Waldo BC, bought this truck in Fernie, BC. Him and his wife went on their honeymoon in it. Trucks like this sold for $12.50 back then, brand new. Bob and Aaron restored most of the truck. BC IT did the motor and drivetrain. This is how they found it. There's Mr. Lindberg himself. Truck was hiding in the shed. They eventually pulled it out. There's the old guy. Seeing his truck on its way. It was put on a flatbed. It was taken to the Teamsters Museum. And eventually, over the years, they did a heck of a restoration. Labor of love. Every single detail gone through. So eventually, got to the point where it's being ready to be painted. And we ended up with where we're at now today. What a beauty. So come on down, folks, if you get a chance to see us. It's 6022 176th Street. We're open Wednesdays from 10 to 2. You want to come have a peek of this beauty and many more. This Ford, Chevy, Mack truck, etc. About 40 vehicles here in all. Come on down and say hi. Bye for now.